Hi everyone, welcome to Karen from tillycrafts.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I'm bringing you my Make It Thursday video. So this is one of the new sets I got. It's called Circle Celebration, and I thought, oh, let me see what I can do with this. The only thing is it doesn't have any sentiments with it, so I brought in Happy Thoughts, which is also a $1 million sales stamp set. Love this stamp set, they all go together, but I'm using the Happy Birthday Today out of it. So let me show you the card. So this is the card I made. It's only quick and easy, but I quite like quick and easy cards sometimes. I'm going to be creating the same, but I'm going to use some different colours. Now this one lines up with the 2-inch punch, which I've used to cut this out. This one actually lines up with the 1.5-inch punch. I used the 2.25-inch punch to layer it, but I've also been playing, I've not done anything with these yet, but with the layering circles, so I'm just going through it trying to find out which ones match up with which ones. So you can actually die cut some out if you want, or just use them as background like I've done. Right, so let's show you how I put this card together. Quick and easy, but we like quick and easy sometimes. So we have an A4 sheet cut in half, scored in half, and I'm just going to burnish it down. Get a nice crease line on there. So this measures 4 1/8 by 5 7/8. I have a layer in Night and Navy, that's a think then. This is 3 7/8 by 5 5/8, and that's going to go on there. And then my stamping layer is 3 3/3 by 5 3/8. So that's what we're going to stamp on. Right, I'm just going to get a piece of scrap paper out because I might do some stamping off. So the colours I've chose, this one, I better tell you what colours I've used on this one. This is Night of Navy, Granny Apple Green and Poppy Parade, and I've used these little gems. So it would do for either a girl or a boy because they just look like fireworks. So even though they've got bling on them, it's more like to give it a firework effect. So today's colours, I'm going to use Night of Navy again, Poppy Parade, and I'm bringing in Pumpkin Pie. It's not one I use a lot, so I thought let's give it a go and see what it's like. Now I do need a piece of scrap card. There we go, let's bring this one in, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this big one, similar to what I did before, and we're going to stamp it full strength. I've just inked this up as well, so it is a bit juicy. And then I'm going to stamp one stamped off here, like so. And the reason I want it stamped off, obviously, is because when you put the sentiment across, it won't show up. Just let me stamp that again because it looks a bit bitty, but that could be because, well, I've got two there, so we'll see which one the sentiment looks okay on. And we've also got this little one, this and I'm just going to pop a couple of these about on my card like so. Right, let's shut this up before I get my fingers all in it and bob that out of the way. I'm going to go in Night and Navy next because then we can see what the sentiment stamps like, and then I can decide which one we're having. They look quite good on both of them. Well, we'll see. We'll take it out in a bit and we'll have a look. Right, so I'm going to go with this Crissy Cross ones. It's quite good, this, because they're good for background stamps. And you can do whatever you want. Right, let's get some fireworks on the go. They do look like fireworks, these, don't they? Whoops, let's put the lid on this. You know what I'm like, fingers will be straight in it. I was going to do it a bit different. Excuse me. Quite like that actually. A bit different, isn't it? I think I need a bit more blue in it though. I'm going to, I think I'm going to do the dots in blue this time. Let's just see what they look like. Quite like those. Yay. And I think I've got, I'm just looking what other one I've got. Where I've got these crisscrosses, I might do some red ones of those. This is it. It starts playing and I can't stop. Let's get my chamois out. These are great, these for cleaning your stamps. You just wet them, keep them in a box, and then just rinse them out under the tap. There we go. I think that's enough before I get carried away. Right, so I'm going to bring in the 2-inch and line this up. That's that. I'll do this one as well because I can see which one looks best on my card. And I'm going to be a savvy crafter and cut my layer out of there. Right, let's get this all layered up. Oh, we need to see which one looks best first. Let's layer these up. A bit of glue. There we go. Oops, that's moved. Do you know? I'm going to have to do this again because it wasn't straight. Can't cope if it's not straight. Right, try again, Karen. Concentrate. There we go. It's just going to stick to the bottom of the paper now, isn't it? Right, I am actually going to just move this because knowing me, I'll stick my card down to it and then it'll get stuck. So I'm just going to put this on flat. There we go. And then we can either have this one on here or up there or right down here, or we can go with the darker one. I don't know which one I like best. Do you know, I think I like the lighter one. Yeah, let's go with the lighter one. I think that's my hardest bit, is trying to decide where to put stuff when I've cut it out. I just wanted to keep it in a circle though, so it like matched. Just need some dimensions on here. I'm just at the bottom of my sheet, so I'll just cut the edges round so we can get the most out of a sheet dimensionals. Right. think I'm going to go there with it. There we go. And then bring me sparkling for the fireworks wherever I put them. I got them out ready for this video, and I've gone and put them somewhere, which was on my table, and now they've done a runner. I have this problem. I can be sitting here and I lose things. Explain it to me because I don't get it. They were literally on my table, but as it happens, I do have another pocket packet, and then when I've put these on, we will find the old packet. These are Red Rhinestones Basic Jewels. Very pretty they are. But I just think they make they just look like fireworks, don't they? Exploding in the sky. And I've just noticed something we haven't done. Getting carried away with these. Just thinking that looks a bit plain, but I put some of the like these hashy ones on it, so we can go over the top, and hopefully it won't look a mess. And if it does, we'll have to go revert back to the other one. Whoops! I like that. I do like that. Right, that's my pumpkin pie. I must try and use this more because I do quite like this actually. There we go. That is it done. Well, like that. So there's me Poppy Parade one and my Night of Navy one. You have to let me know what you think. So it was Poppy Parade, Granny Apple Green, Night of Navy on that one, and this one is Night of Navy, Pumpkin Pie and Poppy Parade. And I've used the basic jewels, the Circle of Celebration. See, there's some other great designs in here, so I'm sure I'll be bringing you a few more cards with different things in, and I use the dotty one. And I've also used the Happy Thoughts one and the Happy Birthday out of it. But we've got some great sentiments that I could probably put in the middle, but depending on who I end up doing it for as to what sentiment goes in the middle. But like I said, I've had a play. It's great with, you can use your 2-inch punch, your 1.5-inch punch, you can use your 2.25-inch punch to layer, and also looking at the layering circles to see which ones match up good. There's also this one that's very pretty. I like that as well. So look out for some more designs coming soon. But thank you very much for joining me. Have a nice rest of your Thursday and hope to see you all again soon. Thank you very much. Bye.